This is a Quizlet tutorial video, a little how-to. So you're going to go into your Google Classroom. You will see this announcement. You will also see a link. Now you'll see a video too because I'm making the video right now, which is why it's not there currently. So it'll look a little different, but you're going to click that. And you're going to see this Unit 1, Just Add Water, but I'm actually going to ask you to sign up first. So you're going to sign up to request free access. That's not quite what I said, but and then I'm going to use just a student example to show you. Now, what's different is because I've already used this student example to sign up, you're going to have to put in your birthday, your email, your username. Sorry, not your email, but your username. I would like your username to be something with your name in it, but not your full name. Okay, so maybe your first name with your last initial, your first initial with your last name, and then feel free to add something creative to it. And then you are going to probably have to put in a parent email, because I think if you're under 14, or maybe I think it's under 14, it requires a parent email as well. And I don't know why, because there's nothing inappropriate on this site, but it makes you. And then you're going to have a little thing and it'll say join class right here. You're going to click join class, and then you will be officially in our class. So then you're going to go to the flashcards. The flashcards are, let me go ahead and just get rid of this here. The flashcards are clickable. So when you click them, you can see what's on the other side. If you make them full size, you can actually, just a second, while it goes full screen, you can star the ones that you think, maybe maritime. I'm having trouble remembering that maritime means on or near the sea. And I can hit the star. And then when I shuffle, I'm going to shuffle here, or I can go to options. I can just do the starred cards. So those are the ones that I'm struggling with, I need a little help with. Okay, so, and then you can also, by the way, have them say the words to you as well when you go there. So it'll say it out loud to you. Learn is my favorite thing here. We can click got it. And I'm just going to go to continue to free learn, because this is going to make you try to pay for something. I don't want any of you to pay for anything. This is a free account. We're going to keep it a free account. So don't worry about this whole upgrade thing. All right. So a small harbor where small boats can dock. That would be a marina. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to show you guys how to do it incorrectly too. So water. Now this one's a little harder because you're going to look for the root that means water. And it's actually this right here, but I'm going to click the wrong answer. So that's how you do that. Also, I'm not going to suggest you do write or spell, because you have to spell them correctly in order to do that. In fact, with learn, if you go to options and you click off written questions, and the reason that I'm going to have you click off of written questions is because of the fact that if you don't do it like that, it will ask you to write the answers, and it will have to be exact, and spelling, everything has to be perfect. Same thing with spelling. Test is great. Test is an option you can use. Again, same thing with test. Please go into test and click off of written, and then it'll take those away. Actually, it didn't, so I'm gonna have to go, to written, and then create new test without that. Again, the spelling is so exact, and it'll grade it right as soon as you are done and tell you how well you're doing on that. So take a little practice test. A couple of games you can play. Matching is maybe the most popular one. So I just, I drag this. So like mare and mar means sea, or mar and mare means sea. Aqueduct is a channel. Actually, it's not a channel. It's, I can't see it. Yes, sorry, it is a channel. I questioned myself there for a second. And so you're going to drag these. It's a little harder with this just because they are so closely related to each other. Gravity is the one only if you really are really great with the spelling would I do this. So you're definitely going to, it may be on definition, you're going to want to answer with the term. Okay, so on or near the sea. So I'm just going to type in the answer. Oops, see, I misspelled it. And then it disappears once I get it correct. So that's how you play that. Again, spelling has to be exact for that one. Okay, so that is Quizlet. Flashcards are great. Learn is also great. Practice test is great. I wouldn't suggest doing match or gravity until you've at least kind of got a little more mastery of those words. And so quizzes will be once every 3 units. So after 3 units, we will have a quiz on these words. So just kind of be ready for that. That is how you use Quizlet.